Looks like the pin board has already attracted some users. There's the pin board inside this Space Mountain gift shop. I do like that picture. It's cool. Yeah, here's this. It just sits on the other side of this desk here, so you can just ask a cast member to look at it and trade.
This one. Do we have the Chaser version? Tangled.
I am not sure.
And this one. And then drop mine over here.
You want that?
Yes, please.
I like that one.
You want that one?
Yeah.
And the stuff on here, was it this one right here? Was it the bird?
Correct, yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So the Splash Mountain gift shop is another location in Magic Kingdom that has a pin trading board. So we're gonna go check that out right now.
Point to it and I'll take it off for you.
I like both of these.
You like both of those?
Oh wait, hold up. That one for sure.
This one for sure.
Yes. I guess since there's two of us, we could trade up to 4. So I like both of those as well.
Alright, yeah, so we'll just
Do you like
do it
that
together.
Percy treehouse, or do you... What is that?
I can't read it.
I can't read
That's
it.
a great movie ride.
Oh, you never see those.
Man, you got some good ones.
Do you know who that is?
That is, I want to say that's Shaker.
Okay.
What do you think?
One of those you pick. Unless you want the the dog house. Percy.
Do we have that one?
I'm not, I think we do.
You think we do?
I'd probably go after the movie ride pin, honestly.
Okay, I'll
'Cause
take this one.
You never see those.
Alright, and then you're going to take your pins and you're going to put them in this lovely box here. Alright.
Thank you so much. Ooh, cool.
Yeah, I really like that one. That was a good find.
This one's really neat.
That one's awesome, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, you never see great movie ride pins.
What's this? Oh, cool. Alright, here we go. I gotta go find some water.
Good pins.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Alright, taking a look at the pin board here in the Splash Mountain gift shop.
Because it's like the central location.
What's that one that says like Mabel or something?
Alright, for which one?
This one, please.
Alright.
Which one?
The one that says Mabel, what is that?
This says cast appreciating, supporting, teaching ability, better living inequality.
Yeah, I think Duff, you want to be
Alright. And do you want this one, Harrison?
Sure.
Ursula?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, these.
No, you're fine.
Alright. Is that all?
I think so.
Thank you.
Thank you. So the next pin trading stop, Memento Mori, right outside of Haunted Mansion. Alright, let's go inside and see what they have. Yeah, definitely that.
Yeah, present. What else? Do we have this?
I don't know. Maybe that.
Okay.
Because it's a hidden Mickey. I guess that's it.
The present and the U.
Okay. Keep your bag.
Keep your back.
I can even get it all.
Need help? Well, I can't really help. I'm recording.
Thank you. Of course.
Thank you, friend.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Everything.
Gotta carry these, so.
We're staying at the Swan.
I'll just have to wait.
Do we have that?
I don't know.
A good memento.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your bag and then you'll drop your
There is a pin board inside the PhilharMagic Fantasy Fair here. Let's go check it out.
Let's get the pin board, please.
Alright, let's do a little pin trading. Here are the steps we need to follow.
Wow. Hey, do we have the lamp, Harrison?
I don't know.
Ooh, I like these 2020 pins. Do we have the 2020?
You may want to get a couple of those.
Do we have them?
I don't know. And that Cruella DeVille bowling pin. You have one to trade?
What else?
Harrison, what else?
Do you want the 2020? I'm good. Do you want the 2020s though? Oh, see
That's a
that?
pom-pom. This one?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, pom-pom cheerleader.
How about that Elsa?
Oh, sure.
Yes.
Yes.
We'll take that one.
That's a cool.
That's a cool one.
Do you want those 2020s?
Well, we can't get all of them, but we
Well,
can
you
get
can
a
get,
couple.
like, you get
What's
two.
two?
Probably
There's
probably that Mickey and either that or that.
this one.
Probably. It's up to you though. I already got the two I was looking at.
And what'd you say? You think Goofy or Pluto?
Pluto or Minnie.
We'll get Minnie. Sorry. Yep. Thank you so much. Sorry for our indecisiveness. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Cool. Alright, we're about to take a look at the pin board. Let's take a look at the board.
Ooh, a teacup.
Teacup chaser.
We just ask you pick one and put it in the little jar there. And keep your back.
Ooh, Dad. Is that the owl?
Next up, the Dole Whip. Currently it feels like 109. It's very hot today here in Central Florida at Magic Kingdom.
You want some, JP?
Good old Dole Whip. Dole Whip count 4. Next up on our pin trading quest, Pirates of the Caribbean gift shop has a pin board. There's a pin board inside the Emporium.
Okay.
Down a ways on Main Street. I guess just going, the entrance is down there. This is the exit. So yeah, you can even see that sign that says that. So yes, in the Emporium is a pin board.
I'm looking for it everywhere.
Dude, it's been in Andre the whole time.
I like that spin.
Which one?
The spin.
I can't even see.
He's right up there.
Which one? Oh, yeah.
Which one do you want?
This one, please.
Alright, you just put yours right there. Or actually, wait. Alright, you just put it in this bucket. And I'll get you
Is there
that
any more,
one.
Harrison?
Here we go.
Cool.
Yeah.
Any
Do
more?
you see any you like or?
Do you have this one?
Who is that? I can't.
I don't know. I can't even see.
Oh, Chernobyl.
Huh?
Chernobyl.
Do we have this?
No.
Can we get this one too, please? Is that it? I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Cool. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you.
Thank you. Ooh, the ticket.
Maybe that one.
Let's see. Sorry.
We don't have that Pinocchio.
Which one? I can't
Pinocchio
see.
and
Maybe.
Oh, and this one. Do we have, oh, I think we have that, don't we? Or do we not?
I don't know.
I don't know, you might want to.
And I know we don't have that silhouette either.
Oh, we don't have the rabbit, right.
Do we have that ribbon?
Okay, so first is this.
Drop the ones you don't want right in here, and then you want this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then
Oops, sorry.
there's another one for, which one did y'all just say?
The Pinocchio.
Yeah.
That one?
Pinocchio.
Oh, there's Peter Pan. That for Peter. Oh, he might have to give us an extra bag if he has one.
Do you have that ribbon?
No. Thank you. Which one next?
This ribbon, Harrison.
Do we have it?
We have Cheshire.
There's a chaser ribbon too.
I know we don't have the chaser.
Let's get the chaser.
There's that for this one.
Okay.
And that for this. Harrison, what is that?
I'm not sure.
You trade for that one? Here. It's okay, you don't have to worry about cleaning it if you don't want to.
This one here?
Yes. Or no, this one. Thank you.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you, thank you.
Next up, the Town Square Theater over at the entrance to Magic Kingdom does have a mystery pin box that you can go in blind pick pins. So we're gonna go do that.
18, please.
18. Interesting.
Yeah, of course. You can put it on there. Oh, you can just, are they different backs?
Huh?
No, just
Oh, I can keep it.
on the pin, yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you want number? This is cool.
Let's do 12.
12.
Yes.
Oh,
Ooh,
cool.
there's a good one.
Are we allowed to do 2 or just 1?
You can do 2 per guest.
Okay. I'll do 3. Harrison, oh, I keep wanting to take the backs off. I'm so used to doing that on every other one.
You're good.
Okay, which
Should
one?
we get pin box?
I did 3 and I think it was 18.
Let's do. I guess we'll do 7 again.
Hopefully.
Figment.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have you guys been to the Emporium to see their pin board yet?
Yes, we just came from there.
The way the mystery box works, I'm not sure if you guys have ever had our mystery boxes before. I'm being a little more lenient than some other people, so take everything with a grain of salt.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you're going to pick a number. I'm going to pick up the number, the pin that's under that number. You're going to tell me if you want to trade with it. Normally it's 1 per person. Like I said, I'm feeling great today.
Oh, I like
so
that.
if you
like
don't
that,
like
Jim.
that pin, I can put that one back and you can pick a different number. But then you have no choice. That's the one. If you want to trade for that one, then that's fine. If you don't, I'm going to put it back and that's the end of your choices.
Gotcha.
All right, so who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
All right,
Oh wow. Okay.
pick a number.
Yeah, I've got some with the backs off already, sweetie.
16.
6.
Watch out, because the back's off.
That one is going to be 2020 Donald's.
Do I want Donald?
Do we have that?
I'm trying to think if we have
No,
Donald.
I don't think we do.
That one's going to be a trade.
Yes.
So you're going to put it right here. Beautiful. Go ahead and take it.
Alright, Harrison, you want to go next?
No, I guess.
7.
7. Yeah, 7.
Lucky number 7.
7 was coming.
Yeah.
Gotta.
Is today the 7th?
Strawberry.
Oh,
All right, we've already
Is
got
it today the 7th?
Today is the 7th. 7 on the 7th.
I'll try to get a different one.
Try and get a different one? All right.
15.
15. That one is going to be Scuttle and Sebastian.
You all have that one, don't you?
Yeah, but it's
Yeah,
okay.
that's okay.
It's alright.
It's okay. I'll take
Here,
that.
I've
You want
already
to try
taken the
one
back
more?
off
You already
this
had
Yeah.
that one?
Yeah. She's nice. She's nice.
Ouch. I
New
feel bad
Yorkers are
going over for
nice.
3.
Which one?
I feel.
Oh, I should put the numbers down so we know which ones have been taken.
Gosh.
That way it
Listen,
makes
I
it
too am a
easier.
pin collector. I understand.
Yeah, we love them.
3.
3.
I'm not
Ooh,
feeling
this
good
from the
today.
Doghouse collection. That's Percy from Pocahontas.
All right, so
Oh yeah.
You
I'll
don't have
take
that,
that.
do you?
You like that one?
No, yes.
All right, there you go.
we'll put that down. 3.
What do you say?
17, 7, 3.
I got, it's the Bonnet Bears from the Country Bear Jamboree.
You're gonna hate me. We got that yesterday.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna try one more time.
All right.
Gracious.
Oh, wait, I will hype up every pin that you guys pick. It's okay.
5. That's my
5?
favorite number.
All right.
Come on.
We have Minnie Mouse.
Oh, cool.
Little vintage Minnie Mouse.
There you go.
Put it right down there.
Thank you.
My pleasure. I'm gonna take that one, put it in there. All right, we're all good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
My pleasure.
See a few good ones on this board. Yeah, we definitely want that. There are actually quite a few we want.
Yeah. Well,
Where's
luckily
your
there's
mom?
4 of us here.
Yeah, she'll need to come over here. So
Dad, do we have this one?
Yes, I got that yesterday. Oh, there's one of the 7 dwarfs.
Oh, we want that.
Where is
2, there's 1.
Oh, the Country Bears.
Okay.
Yeah.
should've
I
known
see them
that.
now. There's another great movie, right?
Yeah, do we have this doghouse? Ash, we got a lot going on here. Let's start with the ones we want most. Oh wait, I mean, he got 2, so take the backs off 2 of these.
Oh yeah.
And the bucket's right there. I think we probably want that Dumbo one, don't we?
Yeah, I think that's pretty sharp.
And then there's a Carousel of Progress pin.
Now that would be kind of cool.
Yeah, we should get that too. It's the Chaser. And then we want this Dumbo here.
How's our day going?
So far so good. We got a boarding group.
Got a boarding group.
Yes.
We couldn't believe it.
Excited, yeah.
Well, I had faith. Do we have this one?
Is that?
I don't know if we have that.
I don't think we do. No.
Oh, do we have this one?
No. Oh, Ash, we need Bashful right here. Do we want any of these Mauis? I think I kind of like
This one?
I think I kind of like that one.
There's Stumper. Isn't that? I got it. Right
You
here.
have it.
Is there anything else? Is there anything else, Ash? Did you get the? No, we don't have that. Maybe you should get that. I don't know. It's up to you guys.
Ooh,
That's a Maui Chaser.
Maui Chaser.
Okay.
I think
that's good.
we'll take it. We might have it. I
Did
don't
you know that you can put a piece of paper on these and use a crayon and go over them and it'll show up on the piece of paper?
It's
And
really
it is
cool.
amazing.
Really cool.
Alright.
Well, that's pretty good.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you.